Hello students, this is Shantan sir and this is a revision class, and in this class we have to find the volume of any surface. So in our syllabus there are two types of surface. One is cube and another one is cuboid. Okay, so what is a cube and what is a cuboid? Cube looks like a dice and cuboid looks like a bricks. Okay, so for cube the both side are all same. If think that the length of this side is a, so the length of this side also a, and the length of this side is also a. So both sides are same and length of side is always, think that here a centimeter or any unit. So here also the length, breadth as well as height are different. Think that the length is L, breadth is B and height is H. So in this case the volume will be length into breadth into height, centimeter cube or any centimeter, and in this case the volume will be side into side into side. Actually this is side cube, and the unit of volume is always cubic. So think that the side of length in centimeter unit, so volume will be cubic centimeter or centimeter cube. Okay, so in similar way here is the unit will be cubic centimeter or centimeter cube, anyone. Now we have to solve some problem. Question number 1, just find the volume of cube. So find the volume of cube whose edge are, question number A 15.1 centimeter, question number B 30 centimeter, and question number C 2.7 meter. So just try to find question number B. Here is given the length of side of a cube is 30 centimeter. So here side is denoted by A. So A is equal to 30 centimeter. And this is a cube. So what is the formula of cube? It will be side into side into side. So that's mean A into A into A. And here the value of A is 30 centimeter. So it will be 30 into 30 into 30. So therefore 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27, 2 7, how many 0 here? 3 0. So write here only 3 0, and unit here is centimeter, so it will be centimeter cube or cubic centimeter. Now the other two, A or C, just try to solve at your home. Understood everyone? Now try to solve question number B or 2. Find the volume of cuboid, okay, with the following dimension. First, the given dimension is A 24 centimeter. Think that this is the length, so breadth equal to 10 centimeter and height is equal to 12 centimeter. So you have to find the volume of cuboid. So what is the formula of cuboid? It will be length into breadth into h. So length means 24 centimeter, breadth means 10 centimeter and height means 12 centimeter. So it will be 12 144 into 2, that's means 288, and here is again 10. So write here 10. So 2880, and the unit is centimeter. So the unit will be here centimeter cube. Understood everyone? So now try to solve some problem at your home. Question number B. Length is 2.5 centimeter. Breadth is 1.5 centimeter. Height is 2 centimeter. And also question number C. Length is 10 meter. Breadth is 5 meter. And this is breadth, and height is 2 meter. Understood everyone? Now just try to solve all the problem at your home. Okay, bye everyone.